Good day, sir. My name is John Escumamao S1H-1. I'm gonna discuss to you about the 9 classification of dangerous goods. So, naaday siyam ka classification of dangerous goods, sir. Class 1 is explosive. Kanang mga mabuto na kuan, kargada like fireworks and blasting caps. So, mabuto siya, sir, sa due to chemical reaction. Class 2 is gases. Example is aerosols, compressed air, various type of fuel gases. Kini siya, sir, is dali ra niya masunog, sir, and pwede siya niya makahilo sa imong lawas. So class 3 is flammable liquids like acetone, gasoline, and paints. So ang kini do siya chemical, sir, is dali siya masunog, labi na ang init is maabot sa 60 to 65 degrees Celsius. Then class 4 is flammable solid. Example is alkali metal, matches, and sulfur. So kini siya, sir, makasunog sa niya, sir, if magbangga-bangga bitaw ang cancer kini nga substances. Then class 5 is oxidizing substance and organic peroxides. Example is ammonium nitrate fertilizer and hydrogen peroxide. So kini daw siya nga chemical, sir, is masunog ni siya if manginan. Then class 6 is toxic and infectious substance. Example is medical waste, tear gas, and viruses. So kini siyang chemical, sir, is na tendency nga makahilo samot na og imong masimhutan. Then class 7 is radioactive material. Example is uranium and medical isotopes. Class 8 is corrosives like sulfuric acid and sodium hydroxide. Class 9, the last class, is miscellaneous dangerous substance and articles. Example is hazardous substance and lithium batteries. So more tong nasabtan nyo, sir, sa cancer sa video. That's all for today's video. Thank you.